All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So act fast because this bad boy is $40 off. At the recording of this video, is about 9 hours left on that sale. So if you're watching this on July 29th, 2021, it's about 4 o'clock Central Standard Time. The recording this video, it's got about 8 hours left, or just under, just a little over 8 hours left before this phone goes back to full price. It is $199 right now on Amazon and Best Buy. And you can just grab it, the unlocked model. So a lot of people grab this free version of it. It's not really free, it's a carrier version where you get the bill credits or whatever. But if you wanted the unlocked version and you didn't feel comfortable paying the $240, and you didn't even want to pay $216 to T-Mobile or Metro, $199, it is officially available for sale right now. So I hope you guys can grab it if you've been waiting on it. It is a good device, man. I mean, it's up to you to determine what you think a device is worth once you get it in hand, but I still can recommend this device. I give this device about an 8.5 out of 10, which is really high considering what's inside and how it performs, and it does great overall. So I wanted to throw up a quick video and let you guys know that this device is in fact on sale for $200. And this probably should have been the starting point of where it actually started out at, based on what's inside and how it compares next to other devices. But you know, it's a good stock Android phone. It's a solid phone, and I still highly recommend it, even though I'm ranked 8.5 is a pretty high rating. But I think you'll like this phone if you decide to pick it up. So it's up to you to decide. There's 2 links down below for the Best Buy and Amazon. Hit those up if you decide to check them out. It's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed a quick PSA. This is a quick PSA on a good device that's ready for you to purchase at a $40 off price. Unlocked to all carriers. Enjoy if you want to get it. See you in the next one. Take care.